Hey guys, it's Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found by giving people an easy free attack plan on actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in most businesses owners give me a call asking for more. So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot to offer, give me a call and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave to you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. Um, Most of the time, we like to have around 1,000 words to 2,000 words on the homepage. So we could you know, up your content a little bit. Google likes content, and and the other thing is, whenever we save pictures, we need to save the pictures as specific keywords. And furnace heating maintenance, we need to add Shreveport Bossier behind it. Um, Here's another one. Same thing. We need to add Shreveport Bossier behind these. Close up of woman's hand setting. So yeah, we need to change this to something that people would be searching for. And then put the location behind it, Shreveport Bossier, whatever areas you're trying to service. Um, and another thing we need to work on is when we're saving and we're highlighting words, we want to highlight these words that we're offering for our business so that Google can see them and rank these keywords for us. And so whenever we're saving pictures and stuff, make sure we're saving the right way. We need to add a little more content for each page and get some more pictures and content so people know exactly what it is they're looking at. But other than that, I like your website if it's a good looking website. And when I pull up this tool, it's called Eris. It shows exactly what your website is doing on the back end. And you have 31 ranking keywords and you have a domain rating of 1.6 out of 100 with 593 backlinks. So with these backlinks, they're not all created equal. So we need to go through these and find the ones that are helping you guys and the ones that aren't. And we need to capitalize on the ones that are. So you got some pretty good ones in here. But we could also go back in here to your keywords and check out your keywords. So a lot of your words are your name, so that's okay, but we need to get a lot more words in here that are more specific to your niche and find some more that will help rank your page. So, you're ranked 28th in heating repair in Shreveport, 29th in HVAC in Shreveport, AC installation Shreveport, 26th, and so on. So we really need to get you guys ranking. You're ranking really good in your name, but you're not even ranking first, so we need to get you up in there too. So we could add a lot more keywords, a lot more, higher volume searched keywords into your website, and by adding content, that will help us hide those keywords and mix it all in there and make it look good for your website. So whenever I'm showing you the ranking, what that means is whenever I pull up air conditioning Shreveport, I can't find you guys on here, and that's not a big deal, but we need to get you ranked on all these keyword searches. So when we go back over here, these are keyword searches. So AC repair in Shreveport, Louisiana, you're ranked 23rd, so that's like probably the 7th or 8th page. And so, really you're only ranking first on your name, on the top page, on the front page. So we need to get you ranking higher in a lot of these keywords right here too. So in order to do that, we need to get back into your keywords and your referring domains and your backlinks. And this will help you a lot ranking those keywords and help your page rank. Also, whenever we're looking at your page, we can go into your GMP and we need to optimize your GMP, put a little more content on here, add about 20 to 30 pictures in here, and this will really help your page rank too. So when I pull up your competition, Southern Air now is the #1 competition you guys have. And when I pull up their overview, they've got 1.2 thousand keywords and almost 2,000 backlinks. So what we could do is we'd go in here and find the backlinks that are helping them guys and these keywords and the foreign domains, and we would try to find them and put them on your website. You can see how theirs is gradually growing. And for you guys, it's kind of going down. And it's going up a little bit right here on your firm pages, but we really need to kick it up a little bit. So if you guys are looking to try to find more business and bring more customers to your business, really optimizing your website and your page will do that very good. Here's another competitor. I think these guys are in Bossier, and it's again they have a pretty good looking website, but at the same time, it's the back end that really matters. And they're outranking you, but we could easily outrank all these guys. So if there's any questions you have about what I've went over in this website or in this video, just give me a call. But in closing, I just wanted to go over, we need to add more content to your page. We need to increase the citations and backlinks on your back end of your website. And we need to save your content the right way with the proper keywords so that Google can help rank your page by doing that too. Other than that, if you have any questions or concerns, or if you need any help with anything, just give me a call. You can come check out my website and you can book an appointment, or you can just give me a call or text me or send me an email, and we can talk about whatever it is you guys want to do. So if you need any more help or anything, just give me a call. If not, thank you for watching this video, and you guys have a good day. Thank you.